So I knew this was gonna happen. We went to the bathroom, we did all the things so we could go back and see Donald, and look what we have here. It never fails. I was telling her like an hour ago, can you please try to go take a nap? No. So now I don't know what to do. We have to leave an hour. So I find myself in Mexico. I just got myself El Diablo Margarita. It's my go-to every time. So I guess I'm just gonna drink that, maybe walk around for a little bit, and I still have to buy my Flower Garden merch, and we'll be on our way, I guess. I don't know, I feel bad. She's gonna be so mad. She really wanted to see Donald.
In America, right? Or in the world?
It is 2:30. My orange bird acquired. I got a little gift from my mom. She's a big Orange Bird fan, so I'm so excited. I had to call her to ask her what size because I got her a shirt. But I'm so excited because she's a big Orange Bird fan and she's gonna love it. I'm hoping. Mom, if you're watching, I hope you love it. Yeah, so it's 2:30. I have 30 minutes left. Lucia just woke up. I got my Prosecco. If you know, you know. If you watch my vlogs, you'll know my two favorite places to go at Epcot is the Italy Pavilion and Mexico. So I did both of those. I got some pictures while Lucia was sleeping. So we're gonna try to, I guess, head back to the front of the park now that she's up and see if we could still see Donald. And then, we took our pictures like probably a couple hours ago in front of like the topiaries of the characters at like the main part before you enter World Showcase, and I noticed right away, I'm like, I don't think that she got it, because Lucia always likes to do this thing where she wants to pretend that she has a magic band on, so I really can't wait for her to actually get the magic band. But she always does this thing where she wants to pretend, so they always let her pretend. Well, like a little confused. We have some like fires or something. Okay, don't know what's happening right now. So anyway, she always wants to pretend, and I noticed right away, I'm like, I don't think she got it, because I normally hear it like beep, and I didn't hear it beep. She's like, oh no, I got it. I'm like, okay. Well, lo and behold, the pictures are not on my Disney Experience account. So before we leave, that's one more stop I gotta make that's gonna time suck even more. So we only have about half hour, so I'm trying to get all this done. I better get on and move it. I better get a move on it. So anyway, soaking in my last 30 minutes of Disney. It's always sad to leave, but I didn't expect to even be on this trip, I really thought my next trip when we were here in January, I thought the next trip was going to be in September for her birthday, but then this surprise magical trip came about, so you never know. Where there's a will, there's a way. My birthday's in June. Husband, if you're listening, that's what I would like for my birthday. I would like to come back here. No, I don't know. We'll see. It sucks because my birthday falls on the 4th of July, which is always the most expensive time to come. So usually when I come in June, I like to come kind of like either the beginning or the middle of June. So anyway, I guess we'll see. All right, the last 3 trips I've been on, I've been wanting to get this and I never get it. I keep forgetting and then I check out. So this is coming home with me. I don't know how we're getting it in the luggage, but we're getting the little mini German mini ear. So since January, they moved all the mini stuff. There's like barely anything left over here, but they moved it all to the other side and they put the stuffed animals on the other side of this if you're in Germany Pavilion. Side note, does anyone know, they used to, like pre-COVID, they used to have like some Vikings here to do meet and greets. Like, not really meet and greet, but they were just sitting there outside. Does anyone know, like, are they coming back? Have you seen them? I'm always like, you know, I'm obsessed with that Viking show that used to be on the History Channel, I think it was. But they didn't look like the guys on that show, but wait, yeah, I think it was the History Channel. I know. Baby? I know. You were taking a nap when we had to go see him, and now he's got to go potty again. I knew this was going to happen. It's alright though, because you got baby Snow White. You get baby Snow White. Oh God. I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, bye Mexico. It's been real.
Callie, what do you want?
Oh, this is like me and Jose's favorite place. Well, Jose, he's never here, but when he's here, this is his favorite spot too. I love the marigolds. It reminds me of Coco. They should actually put these, I don't know, maybe they're not native in the fall, but I feel like they should put them for Dia de los Muertos. Sorry. Coco! Is Miguel? Alright, it's 4 o'clock. Will someone please explain what I'm doing wrong here? Alright, so we get to the Epcot Transportation Center. There is one, like you get off or whatever on the ramp, and then people are directing you. They said, for people going to Magic Kingdom, go here. For people going to these 3 resorts, the Grand Floridian, the Poly, and the Contemporary, go on this one. So I go on that one thinking it's gonna stop at our resort. No. It just stops at Magic Kingdom again. And that's fine. That's fine. But then why am I doing this repetitively? Does it, like, why are they not making an announcement? What am I missing here? Or should I just know, like, if we're staying the Contemporary in the future, do we just always go to should we just always go to Magic Kingdom and not even worry about it? It's just, it's very misleading and kind of annoying that they have the Contemporary listed as one of the hotels when we could have just went here and got a direct line immediately. Anyway, I don't know if I'm just the, I'm probably, you know how it's usually like, okay, the operator's the problem, maybe I'm the problem, but I don't know. This clearly happens to me every time, and now I just know, just follow Magic Kingdom and just walk, because it never takes me directly to the Contemporary. Anyway, it is 4 o'clock. We should have like 15 minutes. I'm sure Daniel, usually our transportation driver, he's usually here like 15 minutes ahead of time, so we'll just run inside real quick, go to the bathroom, change her diaper, and see if she wants to change into clothes. It's still kind of hot, so we might just change at the airport. But yeah, bye Magic Kingdom. Such a whirlwind trip. The short trips are hard, man. By the way, when we were leaving Epcot, it's like we already met Minnie at the Chase credit card, whatever. She was very upset that she did not get to meet Donald. I was doing everything possible. I'm like, here, I will buy you one more baby. So now we have acquired Snow White. We acquired Snow White. We go see Goofy. She wants to do Goofy right at the entrance. That's fine. There was literally no line. We walked up and we were the first people in line. But then she sees Minnie. She wants to, again, do a picture with Minnie. So I'm like, okay, fine. We will do Minnie. Another character meet and greet. We already saw Minnie, but it's fine. I'm like, let me just have her take the picture. I don't need to be in the picture. No, she wants Mom in the picture, so I gotta take my bag off and do the whole thing. So, anyway, it's like trips with toddlers, man. It's so, you just have to know that this is what your life is going to be like. We cater everything, I cater everything to her. I do all the things, all the rides, all the treats, everything. But it's fine, because we're building core memories, and we're gonna have something great to look back on, and it's great bonding for me and her. And I know, like, even next year we'll probably look back at these videos and just reminisce and be like, oh my gosh, look at how little, because even like last year when she was a baby and Jose went with us, it's like, wow, she was so tiny, you know. But yeah, it's always a sad day to leave Magic Kingdom. So anyway, if you made it this far, I really appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Go ahead and don't forget to give this video a like and ring the bell to be notified for all future content. It really does help support the channel. We'll see you in the next one, or at Disney. Bye.
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place.